Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software, and this golden color, this plate is designed here, and how to this design is easily and clearly learn here. Okay, and this body is multi-section view is drawing, and okay, and guys, this body is a small project, and this body is a so beautiful project and very useful and helpful for this project. And guys, all isometric view is looking so nice, so nice. This is isometric view, and this body is a perfect, and this boundary is also perfect, and this back side is also looking perfect. Okay, this is a correct and very, this project is very useful. Okay, and how to draw, how to design this body is looking, design this body step by step learn here. All process is learn here. Okay guys, let's start here. Design this body. Okay, at first click mechanical design and use a generative sheet metal design and click OK. And at first select plane is XY plane and select a position sketch. Okay, this is a perfect XY plane is select here, and sweep and reverse vertical is use. And at first click a circle, drawing this and mention any dimension is a one, dimension is a 198 is correct. Okay, 210 is also better. Click OK, and again select this sheet metal parameters because all command is not activated. And at first select this sheet metal parameters, then other command is also activated, and sheet metal parameters is dialog box is pop up, and this thickness and default bend radius is setting here, and also both dimension is value is changeable, and this thickness is 1 millimeter and default bend radius is 4 millimeter is correct. And use a wall is this, click this boundary of circle, and direction is invert material direction, this is a downward direction, and click preview is showing here, this is a okay. And use a this shading with S, and plane is hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, this is a this wall is thickness is 1 millimeter, and okay, this face is selected, and a sketch, a position sketch is drawing here. Okay, and sweep reverse vertical, click OK. And some use a offset command is used, this offset command is used here, and click anywhere in this face, and this is a minus 9 millimeter is correct. Okay, and exit. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a, and this command is very important, surface stamp is click here, and this angle is 90 degree, and this at first select this boundary of circle, and automatic select this direction is inward, and angle is this 90 degree. Okay, this is a correct, and use a height height is 28 millimeter and preview is showing here. This red color is preview is showing here, and this first radius is 5 millimeter and again second radius is 4 millimeter is correct, and preview is showing here. This body is looking perfect. Okay, and again select this is a 30 millimeter is also better, and this is a 5 millimeter is correct, and preview is showing here. This is a perfect. Okay, this body is looking so nice here and also perfect, and click this shading with edge without a smooth edge, and some boundary is drawing this body, and use a teardrop command is used here. Okay, this is this command is use a teardrop command, and this command is very important, and the length is 2 millimeter and also radius is 2 millimeter is correct, and this boundary is a select. Okay, this is a upper side is boundary is click and boundary is click. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this body is looking perfect. Okay, and this is a shading with material is used here, and this material is used, and still is correct. Okay, and also use this still command is click and right click a property is select here, and this reflectivity is very high, and use a okay, this is a perfect meeting room material is used here, and okay, this is a golden color this golden color is so nice looking here, and click okay, and also okay, this color is looking perfect, and this color is so nice looking here, and all okay, all view is showing perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and this palette is very useful in home, and this is a very nice looking here, and all direction is a back side is also looking perfect, and front side is also better, and all side is a correct. Okay, okay, and isometric view is drawing this, and this is a multi view is also looking nice here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is also correct, but isometric is drawing this body. Okay, this is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and looking perfect, and all method is learn here easily and clearly, and guys, I hope you will learn this body is easily and clearly, and guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, and guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.